Welcome to your wonderful Wednesday Shave of the Day. Hey, Eric here with Adventures in Wet Shaving, and welcome back. It's good to see you. If you're interested in learning how to straight razor shave and all things straight razor related, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Then click on the bell next to it to be notified when I upload videos. That way you won't miss a thing. My one word is heart, and I put my heart into everything I do. And I believe every time you shave with a straight razor, you're going to get a better shave. Tonight, we are using my Miyake Best Silver Steel Japanese made. This is Shave 3 on this edge. That is a quarter hollow, and it is a fine shaver. Yes, it is. Now, for my soap tonight, here we go. Stubble Trubble. And this is Up and Atom with a hint of menthol. So this has like a mocha cappuccino kind of coffee scent going on, and it is marvelous. Yes, it is. I have had that blooming, so we're going to pour off the bloom water, get that going. Yep. Oh, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Here we go. Now, for my brush tonight. We are going with the King brush. Oh yeah. And this is the Adventures in Wet Shaving King brush. That is a 24mm premium bore knot, and it is fantastic. Let's just go ahead and get that loaded up. Yep. And how you doing? All right, we made it to the midweek shave, the wonderful Wednesday shave of the day, hump day, and hopefully you are having a wonderful week, being able to enjoy yourself at whatever it is you're doing, and hopefully you're in high spirits as well. That would always be good. And are you getting some good shaves? I know I've been getting some good questions in the comments here lately, so keep that up. And remember, if you have an idea for a Straight Razor Edge Friday special that you would like me to answer on video, go ahead, put that down there as well, because that is what we do here. Yeah, we try to answer all the questions we can. And we're going to get that soap out of there and get the good stuff. We're going to put that on the brush for the most part, and then the rest we're just going to put on the face. Yes, we got some good weather here. Hopefully where you are, you're having some good weather. That is always great. Yeah, this has been good so far, and I think the weekend sounds like it's going to be all right. Just going to be a little hotter than kind of normal here, but that's okay. We'll deal with it. Yep. No big deal, right? Go ahead and get this kicked up. Yeah, if you're interested in this King brush, here is the email address. All right, you can email Eric over there at King Brush and get something going. And it doesn't have to be the Adventures in Wet Shaving King brush. He makes all kinds of specialty brushes, so you can just build whatever you want for that matter. There you go. Yeah, and this has got just a whisper of menthol, so it's got a little bit in there, but it's nice. It is. Wonderful coffee scent. Now, this is pass one. And for me, primarily, that's going to be with the grain. Let's do this. We're going to lay that razor flat, raise it to spine width. I normally just take smooth, easy, short strokes. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, mulling through those whiskers really well. Check that out. Nice. There we go. Yeah, very good. Yeah, short, easy strokes for the most part. Weight of the blade only. You shouldn't have to press in. And if you do, your razor probably needs to be sharpened. Yeah. Yeah, probably need to get it honed up. There we go. Very nice. Yep, really enjoy this soap. Enjoy this razor too. Yeah, this would be a good first time razor for that matter, because it is shorter this way and makes it more maneuverable. It really does. Yep. And now's a good time for me to remind you that we shave perpendicular to that blade, okay? We don't shave cross like this. That is going to be a good way to get cut. We always shave perpendicular to the blade. So you slide that edge forward, not sideways. Yeah, if you happen to go sideways, it will cut you. Yep. These razors are sharp and they will cut. Yep. There you go. Pass one complete. Yep. Now, let's get that rinsed off. See how we did. Nice. Good beard reduction. Very nice. Now, time for the half pass. We're gonna just go ahead and do a 1.5 pass shave today. And let me encourage you to figure out how many passes you need to get a good shave. All right? Maybe not BBS, but you can get a SAS, which for most of us is going to be good enough. You don't necessarily have to have a BBS every time. And I wouldn't chase the BBS either. That's a good way to get irritation. So here we go. Let's do this. Stretching by grabbing that ear. Now I'm going to move down and stretch my jawline further. Here we go. Yeah, that'll do. Very nice. Yep. Now we're going to switch hands. Stretching with that ear. Blowing out my cheek. Then I'll reach down, grab that jawline, stretch further. Trick is, don't overstretch. Mm-hmm. Nice. Very nice. There we go. Yeah, trying to keep that razor flat around the bulb of the chin. So I'm rotating it as I move across my chin. There you go. Another shave in the books. Yep. And it felt like a good one. Yes, it did. Let's go ahead and get that rinsed off. See how we did. Oh, nice. Cheeks are good. Neck and jawline, good. Yeah, buddy. That is really good. So we're going to go ahead and I still am going to go ahead and put on alum, but here you go. There were no bumps harmed in the filming of this shave video, but the alum is astringent and antiseptic. Great if you do hit a little bump or two, and it will help tighten those pores in that skin, and it is great for a post-shave. Yes, it is. And I just put that everywhere, just like that, and then I will pat it dry. And that will help not irritate the skin more than it needs to. Now, if you can't take alum straight up, go with a cold water rinse followed by witch hazel, and I'm going with the Thayers Lavender Witch Hazel. This is just fabulous. It really is. This has got a wonderful calming scent, and I do enjoy it. We're going to get that going. Fantastic. Fantastic scent. I will put that everywhere. Because it's just that good. It is. Now, for my aftershave balm, here we go. We are going Nivea Cooling Post-Shave Balm. This stuff is marvelous. Helps repair that skin and moisturize it. Yep. So that helps with the soothing element. And again, this has got a fantastic scent on it as well. Really good. Click up here to see my latest video. Click over here to see a video specially picked out for you. Click on this one to see Barber's Homes, the series. Have a great shave and a good day. And I will see you next time on Adventures in Wet Shaving.